of new updates with Retriever's v14 update. We have a lot of new actions that the agent can take, such as hover, filling in sliders, and just overall much more intelligent agent that can handle a wide variety of tasks and web pages, layouts, and actions. With our new update, we also have enhanced prompt. So, say you're on the YC directory startup page and you're kind of lazy with the prompt, you can just get the agent to enhance it for you and give it more details from the web page as well as the agent's own capabilities. So, you can get an understanding of what the agent will try to think the prompt is. Okay, I got this new prompt. It looks good to me. It's more explaining and it tells me what the agent is about to do, and I can just hit enter to run, and I could have hit Command P to enhance the prompt. And now the agent is going to go through this YC website, select all these filters, and then for each of the companies listed to get the LinkedIn profiles of the founders. So as you can see, it's already selecting all the filters here, and some sliders that were not capable before are now possible with this agent, like this company size slider. So as you can see now that the agent has narrowed down the selection, it is opening the companies in parallel to extract the LinkedIn profile details. And now, with the data extracted all the sheets, you can see that the agent has finished its task. So you can see the LinkedIn URLs, the actual company website for the companies we asked for that was in the filtered range. And with these new capabilities, we have directly in the chat, you can see the task details of how it executed, what steps it took, how much credits it cost, as well as the link to privately share. So you can send to colleagues, friends, teammates, so that they can re-execute the task themselves. And we have a toggle to publish the exchange to share with the community so that others can leverage your agentic task. So let's cover this new ChatGPT use case where you can the agent might have had troubles with interacting with ChatGPT before, but no longer. The agent will seamlessly interact, and you can easily get it to input queries, even though our agent is LLM itself, so it can answer your questions. So the task is now done. You can see that ChatGPT's top model ranked is ChatGPT, as surprise to no one. And now we can see the task details for this just by clicking here. And we have this new revised capability to add to the context menu. So you can do a quick action on another page. So for example, I've done this task on ChatGPT's page, and now I can go to Google's AI Studio and trigger these running the same user input on this new AI Studio page. So we can ask Gemini who it thinks is the top AI model. So it looks like even Gemini thinks ChatGPT is a top AI model. A little downplaying, but sure. And we have new settings option as well, so that you can disable auto scroll on some tasks. Before we were scrolling so that all the elements on a page load, and the agent has better more information about the page and can skip a lot of steps. But if you can disable the scroll if you don't think it is required, or but we still highly recommend you retain it. Yeah, that's mostly covers v14. We're excited to see how you'll try it out. Thank you so much.